So, you must be Elaine from the Galactic Arisen, right?
Yes, I am Morris. I am the new member along with Josephine since Philbert created new members from Galactic Arisen last time.
Oh, that's something. Oh well, anyway. We should do something bad again, like pulling the fire alarm at school.
Oh well, Morris, that's a great idea. But first, we will have to wait during break time at school, got it?
Yes, I got it, Elaine. So, let's go to school before it's too late.
Oh look. There is a fire alarm at school. Well, it took a while after the first class is finished.
I agree with you, Elaine. So, let's pull the fire alarm to see how you like it.
Not so fast, Morris and Elaine. You're not getting away with this.
Oh. Crap. We are so screwed.
Yes, that's right, Morris and Elaine. We saw you that you tried to pull the fire alarm at school. You know that you are not supposed to do that at all.
Yeah, I agree with Dylan. You know that pulling the fire alarm can get you serious consequences.
I agree with you as well, Dylan and Alexa. Also, the teacher told us that you and Elaine got suspended for 10 days. So go home and tell your parents and guardians all about this.
Oh no, Elaine. I think we are in trouble at school, and we got suspended.
I know, right, Morris? This is so not good.
Morris, I just heard that you and Elaine tried to pull the fire alarm at school, then you got suspended. That's it, you are grounded for 2 days. Go to your room.
Elaine, you are grounded for 5 days for trying to pull the fire alarm at school. Go to your room now.